morning, viewers. You're welcome to Chris Ken. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. Okay, now today we'll be talking about 4 steps on how to write and balance chemical equation. Okay, now the first step is knowing the symbols of the elements. Now we have the first 20 elements. We have the hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, and so on. Okay, now these elements have symbols. So for example, maybe you're writing an exam and they said write an equation for sodium reacting with oxygen. Now you won't just write sodium plus oxygen. You're going to use the symbols. We have Na plus O2 equals to Na2O. So that's the symbol. That's how it is written on the screen there. So you see sodium reacts with oxygen. That's how it is written. Now another phase is number 2 is knowing the state of the elements. Now for the equation written there, sodium plus oxygen equals to Na2O. They both have a state. You know, we have 3 states of matter: liquid, solid, and gas. Now sodium there is solid, oxygen is gas. But when sodium combines with oxygen, it's a solid. That's sodium oxide. Another one is knowing the electrochemical series of the elements. Knowing the electrochemical series of the elements. We have King Nathan cannot marry all Zion for sinful Peter. He calls hibiscus Angela Audu. Oh, in Great Britain, church normally starts on Friday for the negative ion. Now, with this, if sodium is reacting with water, you can see that sodium can displace hydrogen, but copper cannot displace hydrogen from water because sodium, hydrogen is higher than copper in the electropositive series. So if you know the electrochemical series of elements, it can help you to write an equation properly. The next one is the ions of the elements. The ions, the valency or the charge or oxidation number. The valency, the oxidation number, they are all the same thing. Now for sodium, sodium is plus because it's found in group 1. All group 2 elements, they have plus 2. All group 1 elements plus 1. All group 3 elements plus 4. Plus 3 rather, all group 3 elements plus 3. And all group 4 elements is minus 4. All group 5 elements is minus 3. You're going to do the group minus the total group. If you have 5, you're minusing 8. You're doing sodium has group 1. Sodium is in group 1, and it has a charge of plus 1. So all elements in group 1 has a charge of plus 1. All elements in group 2 has a charge of plus 2. All elements in group 3 has a charge of plus 3. Now elements in group 4, they are non-metals. From 1 to 3 they are metals. So metals, they are positively charged atoms, so they have a charge of plus 1. While for non-metals, they are negatively charged. They are ionized by electron gain, so they are negatively charged. From 4 to 7, they have minus. So if sodium group 4, they has a charge of plus 4, they will be to negative 4. Group 5, we have minus 5. Group 6 minus 2, and group 7 is minus 1. I'm going to show you how you get that. You're going to do the group minus the total group. Let's say we have 4. No, we have 8 group in the periodic table. So you're going to do 4 minus 8. you're going to have minus 4. If you do 5 minus 8 minus 3, group 6 minus 2, you're going to have minus 2. Group 7 minus 8, you're going to have minus 1, and group 8 minus 8, you're going to have 0. So you can see that all this group, they have what? Charge. Now the elements in those group. So when you know the elements in those group, then if I'm writing if sodium is reacting with, let's say, acids, let's say hydrochloric acid, you're going to have Na plus H plus Cl minus. Now the positive of this side will react to the negative of this side. So you're going to have Na plus Cl minus. You omit their charge, you have Na plus NaCl. That means there's no charge when you omit their charge. You have NaCl plus. Now we have hydrogen remaining. So hydrogen will have 2 H2 because plus H2 because it's a diatomic element. So hydrogen will not stand alone. Examples of diatomic elements, we have oxygen, we have nitrogen, we have fluorine, bromine, iodine, chlorine. All of these, they are what? Diatomic elements. So when they are existing alone, they will have 2 molecules of their own atom when existing alone. Okay, so any question you can send it in the comment section. Thanks, subscribe and follow us for more of this. If you find our content interesting, see you next time. Thank you.